Hello my little kids, hope you all are well at your home. So kids, today I am here to teach you correct and proper formation of numbers. So first we will start recapitulate all the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, now let's start the counting. Speak with me. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1, 0, 10. Now come to the formation. We have to write the numbers in a block. Okay, each number should be touched the bottom line. So let's start with the number 1. First we have to make a standing line. This makes number 1 and the next number is number 2. We have to make a curve like this and a sleeping line. This is number 2 and the next number is 3. We have to make 3. We need a sleeping line, a slanting line and a curve. Sleeping line, slanting line and a curve. Yes. And what comes after 3? 4. We need a slanting line, then sleeping line and a standing line. This is number 4. And the next number is number 5. We have to make a sleeping line, then standing line and a curve. This makes number 5. Okay. And what comes after 5? Yes, 6. We have to make a curve joining another curve. Curve joining another curve. This makes number 6. And what comes after 6? 7. Very good. We need a sleeping line and a slanting line. This makes number 7. And the next number is number 8. We have to make a curve like this or like S and joining another curve. We have to make a curve joining another curve. This is number 8 and the next number is 9. Very good. We need a circle and a standing line. A circle and a standing line. This makes number 9. And now come to the number 10. 1, 0, 10. 10 has 2 digits or 2 numbers. Both of number 1 and 0 should be in a block. Okay, first we have to make a standing line or a straight line. This is 1 and we have to make a loop or a 0. This makes number 1. 1, 0, 10. Okay, so friends, keep practicing at your home from 1 to 10. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye bye.